Here's some ways to tell if someone's blocked your phone number from contacting them. The first thing I do is go into Messages and I try sending a text message. Just anything at all. Probably something that's relevant to like what you're doing, like, hey, how's it going? Relevant to the person you know or whatever. And if it says right here that read receipt, or if it says delivered, that means you're not blocked. That means the message got through. And if that person is just not responding to you at that time, it could be they're, busy. It could be they're in a dead zone. It could be that the message got through, but they can't reply. Their Wi-Fi is not working. There could be so many reasons. It doesn't necessarily mean you're blocked. So if you send a message and that read receipt goes through or shows delivered or shows read, then it's a good indication that you're not blocked. If you are contacting someone who normally has an iPhone, and the messages should be blue, but they're actually green like this, that could be because they don't have internet. This happens a few times between my wife and I and my friends and I, where we have to, or the iMessage fails and I have to resend as a text and it goes through as green. And this could be in your settings. If you go to the main settings page and scroll down to apps and then go to messages, or go to the M section, then go to messages. If you have iMessage turned off, or if the person you're messaging has iMessage turned off, or if you have an iPhone and they have an Android phone, or they recently switched phones but kept the same phone number, messages can go through as green. So I turned iMessage off. You see the send button turns green instead of blue. When I send it, it's green. Now I send as a text message via regular cell phone text messaging. It's not encrypted through iMessage. It does, however, say delivered right there. So that's another indication that it went through. The person's just not responding at that time. Just going to turn iMessage back on. Another thing you can do is open the phone app, type in *67 followed by the person's phone number, and then call them. This will call whatever number you dial after the *67 with no caller ID. So if they have blocked your contact on their phone, and say you call with your regular phone number and you go straight to voicemail, which can happen, doesn't mean you're blocked, but it happens when you're blocked too. So it could mean that you're blocked, but it could also mean that you're not. But if you call with your regular phone number, no *67 in front, and it goes straight to voicemail, and then you call back with *67 with their phone number, there's no caller ID, so the iPhone doesn't know, or whatever their phone is, doesn't know that it's you, a blocked contact, and that call goes through, that's a kind of good indication that you're blocked. You could also try borrowing someone else's phone and calling the phone number to see if it goes through. Another good indication that's blocked, if your number goes straight to voicemail, other numbers go straight through, you could be blocked. And those methods are the best you have to find out if your phone number is blocked. If you want to scam proof your phone, check out this QR code right here. Scan it, enter your email address, download the free checklist to scam proof your phone. There's also a link in the description down below if you don't want to scan the QR code. Download that PDF and scam proof your phone. It's really important, especially these days. And if you want to find out if your iPhone is tracking you and what you're doing, check out this video right here. It walks you through finding out whether all the settings that allow tracking are turned on, and you can turn them off if you don't want them on. So check out that video next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on that one.